Welcome to Crypto Trading 101, Introductory Guide for Beginners. In this video, we will be discussing the basics of cryptocurrency, the ins and outs of trading, and some tips for starting out in the market. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are now thousands of others available. Cryptocurrency exchanges are the platforms where you can buy and sell different cryptocurrencies. Some popular exchanges include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. There are many different trading strategies you can use when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Some common strategies include day trading, swing trading, and hodling. It's important to do your research and find the strategy that works best for you. Like any investment, there are both risks and rewards when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. The market can be incredibly volatile, meaning the value of your investments can fluctuate wildly. However, with high risk comes high reward. Some traders have made huge profits in the crypto market. That concludes our Crypto Trading 101 Introductory Guide for Beginners. We hope this video has given you a solid introduction into the world of cryptocurrency trading. Remember to always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose.